Hi everyone, I'm Lisa Maynard at welcome to my YouTube channel Style Lisa, where it's not just about sustainably styling your wardrobe, it's also about sustainably styling your life for success, independence and impact. So with that said, let's dive into it. Christmas is just around the corner, and for those of us that celebrate the festive season, a couple of things come to mind. Firstly, there's the all-important Christmas shopping for presents. Then there's planning festive get-togethers with our family and friends. And for some of us, being a little bit afraid to check our bank accounts to see how much money we either do or don't have left after all of that Christmas shopping. But what if there was a way that you could improve your festive finances without doing extra hours at work or selling something that you might later go on to regret selling? Well, here's a little secret for you. Your wardrobe is literally a gold mine. Yes, even those everyday pieces. You can take the things that you already own, as in the clothes you already own, and turn them into an extra income. It's environmentally friendly, it helps you to save money, and it helps you to make money too. So, let's get into how it works. Before we get into how fashion rentals actually work, I'd really love to share my story about how I got into renting out my wardrobe. So during lockdown, I discovered an article that talked about the financial and environmental benefits of renting out your clothes. Now, I'm not going to lie, I was a little bit apprehensive because these are all of my pieces. I've put a lot of love and attention into acquiring my pieces over the years, and I was a bit scared about renting them out and other people wearing them. But I thought, you know what, let me give it a go. So I actually started with this rather fabulous sequined Rixo dress that you can see here. When I first started, I was getting 1, 2, 3 requests, but as we started to move more away from lockdown and ease back into regular life, my requests skyrocketed. They actually got so big that I had to actually start turning down rental requests because I didn't have enough pieces to honour the requests that were coming through, because I actually only own one of each piece. That led to me adding another maybe 18, 19 pieces. So fast forward to present day, I now rent out around 20 pieces of my wardrobe, and so far I've made just over £8,000. Now how I spend that money is 50% of it gets reinvested into my rental wardrobe and the rest gets put towards investing and building up my wealth. So now you know my story, let's get into how rentals actually work. Just as a little FYI, just before we get into how fashion rentals work, please do ensure that you look into the tax implications for renting out your wardrobe, because it is an income, so you need to make sure that you don't fall foul of HMRC. Okay, now let's get into how fashion rentals work. Firstly, let's talk about why renting out your wardrobe is such a game changer. Now come on, be honest, we've all got those fabulous pieces in our wardrobe. You know, that amazing dress that you bought for a wedding and you wore once and never wore again. That fabulous little sequin number like this that is screaming out to be worn to a Christmas party. And it's not just occasion wear, it's everyday wear as well. Coats, blazers, knitwear are really popular at the moment too. People want everyday wear as well as occasion wear. And you know the fabulous thing is, while somebody's wearing your pieces, you're earning money. What could be better than that? Just imagine covering the cost of your Christmas presents by renting out that fabulous everyday blazer or that absolutely amazing sequin dress for Christmas parties that's just been hanging in your wardrobe. No brainer really, isn't it? As I said earlier, I now rent out around 20 pieces from my own personal wardrobe, some of which you can see here, but I'm not going to go into detail about these pieces today. That's actually for another video. Let's get back to how fashion rentals work. Now let's not forget the eco-friendly side of fashion rentals, which for me is the most important aspect. Renting out your wardrobe reduces the demand for fast fashion, it keeps clothes in circulation, and it means that fewer outfits end up in landfill. So not only are you making a bit of extra cash, but you're also helping the planet along the way. So you're making money, you're saving money, and you're helping the environment. What could be better than that? Let's now look at getting started, which is ridiculously easy. Here's a list of things that you need to do. Firstly, research the rental platforms that are currently out there. I use 2 platforms, one called Her, spelled H-U-R-R, and another called By Rotation. Then once you've done this, pick a few items from your wardrobe, making sure that they are in good condition and that ideally they are classics or on trend. Once you've picked the items from your wardrobe that you're going to rent out, the next stage is to take some great photos. Now, what is key for any good photo is good lighting. So you need to make sure that you've got great lighting. Don't worry about having a fancy camera. I take all of my pictures on my iPhone. If you happen to have any images of the pieces being worn, be sure to include these too, but get the relevant permissions in case those photographs don't belong to you. Once you have those all-important pictures of your pieces, it's time to upload them to the rental platform or platforms of your choice. Now, the thing to say here is that the platforms make it really easy for you to do this. They have how-to guides and help guides, so you won't have any issues doing this. And if you do, you can reach out to their customer services teams for help. Once they're uploaded, set your price and wait for the bookings to roll in. Another thing to mention as well is that if you're active on social media, it does help to promote your rentals and your pieces on social media, just to ensure that you're getting as many rentals as you possibly can. So if you've got social media, make sure you're promoting your rentals on there. As I said earlier, these platforms make everything super simple, so you can focus on choosing what to rent and making yourself some cash. Now, let's look at what's in demand. Obviously, with the Christmas season coming up, sparkly, sequin, fabulous dresses are going to be massively in demand. So if you have anything like this, make sure you're getting it out on those rental platforms. But not just sparkly dresses, coats, knitwear, trousers, and even Christmas jumpers. So yeah, if you've got any items like these, make sure that you're getting them out on those rental platforms, because you're going to make a little bit of cash. Everyday wear like tailored trousers, handbags and knitwear are perfect for people who are looking to refresh their wardrobes without committing to buying new pieces. So if you have anything like that, get those renting too. So what are you waiting for? This Christmas, make your wardrobe do the work for you. When you've got some time this week, go through your wardrobe, pick out a few pieces that you are happy to rent and give fashion rentals a try. Whether you're looking to cover the cost of Christmas presents, saving for something special, or you're just wanting to make a little bit of extra cash, fashion rentals is a sustainable and easy way to do it. And who knows, you might even inspire someone else to start renting out their wardrobe. Head over to a rental platform near you now and get listing. And don't forget to let me know how you get on in the comments. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and leave a comment below, and also please do subscribe to my channel. Until the next time, stay sustainable and stay stylish. Bye. One final thing from me, if you would like to know more about the world of fashion rentals, head over to my website www.stylisa.com, where you'll find a range of fashion rental articles and my popular course, Rent, Wear and Share, Turn Your Clothes into Cash. Bye for now.